independent, understanding, supportive. Over possessiveness नहीं होना चाहिए. Yeah, that's it.
Hello friends, welcome to the new episode of Get to Know. So today in this episode, we want you to know about what girls are looking in their ideal partner. See, girls are very picky when they want to choose their partner for whole life. So without any wasting of time, just get to know, tie up your seat belts and know about what girls are looking in their ideal partners. Everyone has their definition of an ideal partner. So what's yours?
Ideal partner. See, I think the definition of ideal partner will vary from person to person. Ideal partner for me would be someone who is of my intellect level and someone who would understand me better.
For me, there are many things. First of all, his height has to be there, and he should be understanding. And money, obviously, he should have a good job and good education. For me,
He should be very understanding and many more things.
Understanding, helpful, and respect is the foremost thing for me.
For me, he should be very charming, first of all.
In your words, what is charming?
In her future, she wants I want a husband like this or a partner like this. That's it. And he can fulfill my dreams. I also want to travel the world, shop a lot. So he has to complete all the dreams.
First thing, compatibility. The boys should have compatibility. Choices should match. They should respect each other. Support the decisions. Not all decisions, but they should be right. That's it. Smart and sexy होना चाहिए.
Ideal partner.
Not experienced yet.
The ideal partner has to be understanding, the one who can take care of me, and the one who's going to listen to me. That is ideal for me.
okay, I may not be the best person to ask this question. This ideal relationship and partner, that's not my theory. I believe that casual relationships can work, but that deep relationship, I don't think so. I'm quite there.
One word. Just one word.
He should love me and respect me.
He should be supportive, understanding, should be there, hot, great, mine forever.
Would you like a house husband?
Yeah, that's also very good. No issues. I can work for him. If he is actually a very good house husband, I don't mind that.
Oh sure, if that's what he wants, there's no problem in it. See, these are all stereotypes that we have defined that what a male is supposed to do or what a female is supposed to do. And if we categorize male that they have to go out and work and on for the house and everything, then that's the notion that everybody has. But that's wrong, right? Everybody should do whatever they like to do. And if a male wants to do household, there's nothing wrong in it.
For me, house husband would be fine if I'm earning lakh and crores. I would want that. Okay, settle down. I'll work.
Not at all.
Why not?
Because I like independent men. I don't want him to,
Lay on your money while.
Yeah, obviously. Because that's not so me, Yeah.
If I'm capable to run up all my house needs and I'm happy, then it's okay with the house husband.
No, not at all.
Okay. Easy.
See, there shouldn't be no housewife and no house husbands. Both should be working and both should be working for themselves and for both of them. So no housewives and no house husbands. You take me for shopping, I'll take you for shopping.
I think I'd like one because obviously I'm not that kind of a person, so he has to be. He has to be opposite of mine.
I'll be okay because
The society won't be. Your family won't be.
it can but I'll be okay because I know I'm gonna work. So I'll be a working woman. So it's okay if he doesn't not.
Yeah, I'm perfectly fine. In fact, I love it. अगर वो घर पर रहेगा, खाना वाना बनाएगा और it's nice.
Help us with the household things, but he should not be at home all the time. Okay, we want him.
I agree with her.
No one is perfect. Everyone knows that. So, what qualities you are looking for in your ideal partner?
See, first thing that I want in my ideal partner is if he is very motivated to do something in his life. If you want to achieve some goals in his life, he's very focused. He's very focused and he's oriented towards achieving something in his life, and that's what I basically want in my partner.
Very first of all, understanding and respect. And then love, for sure. And then goes apart for the money and the job and everything.
Honesty.
Love and honesty. Maturity level, that has to match mine.
His support in every situation.
I have some counter questions for you. I'll be giving you two choices. You have to choose one and then you have to tell me why you chose that option over the other. Okay? Shy or flat?
See, if a person is shy, it will obviously take me more time to interact with that guy. And if he's the kind of flirt type, obviously I'll get to interact more with him.
The shy type. Because I find them very good. They're like very sincere, mature types, so I like them.
Flirt. Why like shy is too boring, I think.
For me, shy because I want my man to be quiet and what I say, he should listen all the things. So that's why.
He should be a flirt because I would want some adventure. So he shouldn't be very shy and boring.
Flirt. Life needs spice. That's why.
Flirt. Attractive होते हैं काफी.
My partner should be flirt. With me only.
Flirt type, obviously. You should compliment me all the times, dude. Why am I dressing up for you?
Shy. Because come on, you don't have to be flirty. Be shy around me. I'll prefer that.
Flirt. Naughtiness पसंद है. Shy. Shy इसलिए because I think they are more genuine. I'll go with the shy type.
Yes, me too.
मतलब you don't be so shy you can't even approach me. How will I know that you're interested? You know.
Shy because I think I'm gonna flirt with him, so obviously he should be shy. One has to be shy, so why not he?
Muscular or good in bed?
I would say good in bed.
You have to tell me why.
Being muscular is not what I look in my partner, okay?
Cologne. Because rest of the part I'll just see. I'll make him do that.
Muscular guy because he can protect me and not attracted to a lean or feeble person. So that's why.
Good in bed. See, what is the use of that muscularity if he's not good in bed? Even a thin guy, if he can be good in bed, perfect man.
Muscular but not a bodybuilder.
Same. He should be like Ranveer Singh, not Johnny Brahman.
Good in bed. Because that's for me, like, what would I do with his muscles? Come on, I don't care if he's skinny. He should be good in bed.
Muscular. तो muscular होगा तो good in bed भी होगा. Muscular, I'll be good. Good in bed because my own figure is very bad.
Good in bed.
नहीं.
No, she'll be good in bed. Good in bed.
Good in bed.
Good in bed.
I mean, what would we do with a
Muscularity can go right. He'll be sick and he'll be gone, and he'll not do it nice on bed. So what? I'll just frown and we'll hate and we'll just break up and it'll all come to an end. Bed will be like really good forever and ever. We'll just go on and on and on.
Good in singing or dancing?
I will go for singing. I love old songs. That's why.
Singing. Because I'm good in dancing, so he can sing for me.
Singing. I have a soft corner for singers.
Singing, because if at 2 a.m. I want songs, I'm a very music loving person, so I want him to sing to me at 2 a.m. I don't care. Wake up and sing to me.
Dancing. Dancing. I love dance.
Singing, because I love to sing, but I can't sing.
Good in dancing. We could play in the bed. We can dance and have sex. It's like nice. What, you'll sing me to sleep or what? I don't want to. No songs. No singers, please.
Singer doesn't turn you on.
No. Like, no. That's just, no, I don't want that.
Diplomatic or good sense of humor?
Good sense of humor.
For sure.
Good sense of humor. Because I am kind of diplomatic person.
Obviously, good sense of humor. Because they have the bad part also, so no, I don't want a diplomatic one. He has to be straightforward to me.
Good sense of humor. You don't need to be diplomatic with me, but yes, diplomatic in front of others and having a good sense of humor with me.
Good sense of humor, definitely. I need humor in my life.
Good sense of humor. डबल फेस नो पसंद ही नहीं है और डिप्लोमेटिक जो होते हैं क्लियरली नहीं बोल पाते हैं लाइक घुमा के बात को बताना आई डोंट लाइक दिस जो है डायरेक्टली बोलो आप.
Good sense of humor. Diplomatic what? What for?
I mean, yes, I believe that you should at least be courageous enough, brave enough to take one side. Diplomatic means standing between two sides.
Something.
Dark, handsome, or the guy next to you?
Tall, dark, handsome.
What about the boy next to you?
Actually, I don't have any tall, dark, handsome boy next to me.
Tall, handsome, dark.
Tall, dark, handsome.
I would want a tall guy because I'm too short. And yeah, I like darker men more than fair complexion guys. Tall, handsome and dark. Anytime. Any day.
You guys don't have a tall, handsome, dark guy next to your door?
That's the reason we're sitting here. I'm sitting here with a girl.
Tall, dark, handsome.
Tall, dark and handsome.
Tall and handsome.
I'll go with the boy next door. You know what's there? You should utilize that.
What is more attractive? The guy sweating in gym or sweating in kitchen cooking your favorite dish?
Sweating in gym. Of course, yeah.
Sweating in kitchen because he's doing something for me and that is what matters.
I guess in kitchen, maybe. We're having abs.
Sweating in gym.
Sweating in kitchen.
Why not sweating in gym?
क्योंकि ऐसा होता नहीं ना मोस्टली बहुत कम मिलते हैं कुकिंग के लिए देखने के लिए जिम में तो आपको 90% बॉयज मिलेंगे ही मिलेंगे और लड़कियां पागल होती ही है ऐसे.
Sweating in gym is hot and sweating in kitchen is very sweet and cute.
So what do you want? Hot or sweet?
Sweet.
A partner who gives you space or a partner who pampers you the most?
Pamper me the most.
Pampers you the most.
I don't need space. Dude, love me 24/7, but pamper me every time.
I need space, and like every time I can't be, around him or something, and if he's constantly pampering me, that'll be annoying as fuck, and I'll be over him very soon. So I need space.
Who gives me space? My past experience.
Dog lover or cat lover?
Dog.
Dog.
I like cat, but he should be dog lover.
Cat lover, wild cat lover.
Dog lover, definitely.
Cat.
Dog lover. All the way. I love dogs.
Cricket lover, football lover?
Cricket.
Cricket because I love Virat Kohli.
Cricket lover.
It is because my boyfriend is a cricketer.
Football. We know football. Cricket lover.
Football.
Cricket lover all the way.
I don't think I would choose between any. Actually, I'm not any lover.
Holy lover?
No.
Oh my God, I don't hate him, but there's no point. I'm appreciating him. He's a good player, good for India, good for country, not for me.
Funny or romantic?
Funny. His romance cannot be funny, but his funny things can be romantic.
Romantic.
Why romantic over funny?
We can have friends. It's funny. अभी के लिए funny. मुझे कपिल शर्मा भी पसंद है.
I want romance in my life. That's why. Yeah.
Because I'm a very serious person. He's funny, he can make me laugh, and I think I'll fall more in love with him if he can make me laugh.
Romantic. Funny मैं ही काफी हूँ अकेले के लिए.
Okay.
Both qualities हो जाएंगी.
Hey friends, I hope you like this video, and if you like this video, please don't forget to share, subscribe our channel and comment down below. And specifically I want other girls to comment down in the comment section that what are they looking in their ideal partner. See, everyone has a different definition, so we would love to know about it and let other people know as well. And moreover, if you have any social topic in your mind, please let us know. Contact us through our Facebook channel, and please don't forget us to follow on Twitter, Instagram, and like our page on Facebook. The links are in the description below. And till then, have a really nice day. Take care. Don't judge anyone, just get to know.